check out my Primo GDR seats. The most quality, clean and tidy 32 GDR seats of all time. They're heaps better than they were. Sup Team. Goodness me. So today we are taking Telarni's R34 down to next up. So it's sort of been a long time coming. We've had a million things interrupt this build so far. Getting the right parts, time available at the workshop, me slotting in the Evo instead of getting the 34 there. God, this thing's dirty. But today's the day. So young lady here is very keen. I'm really keen because it means that soon we're going to no longer have another project sitting in the shed. It'll be sitting in someone else's shed getting painted, and then we'll be able to drive it. So right now, I've got to move this thing because we're in the process of giving it a bit of a clean. Look how tidy it looks. Need to move this out so we can get to the 34, push the 34 into the trailer, load it up, and I'm trying to convince Telarni that I need to buy an FD RX-7. So let's do that. Check out my fancy new cold start. And then
third time, every time.
And let the smell of the 85 consume you. Alright.
Mr. Low Rider.
Got the low ride. I wonder if I could top arm out of this like every man in his VE Commodore. I think I need to move this car. Actually, I can just back it and head further. So I took these seats out yesterday and gave them a clean, and I stripped everything out of the inside of the car, and I had all 4 bolts on one side, 4 on the other for the seats. Couldn't find one of the bolts for the life of me. I moved the car, and victory is mine. Yes.
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these arrows, and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we 2 peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, I'm there seizing the cards. We'll never be separated till we see in the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die whenever. Be a light, couldn't let the darkness try you ever. Truth in my word, you I lie to never. And when the world gets a little too hard, wipe your eyes, put away your sorrow. When it's war, I'll be leading the charge, and I'll be still fighting for you tomorrow. Yeah, even with a blindfold or in different time zones, could find my way to you with my eyes closed. There's nothing between us. Go to Mars and Venus, stand in front of every one of them rocks they slinging and be a shield.
Your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you.
I'll defend you
from all these arrows.
So today we are heading to pick up Telarni Skyline from Next Up Performance. It's finished, just about. It's running. It's actually on the dyno as we speak. Ran into a little problem. It's running a bit lean. They put a new fuel pump in it, thinking that might have been the issue because the car's been sitting for like 10 million years. But it's not. Looks like that it's got a like an eBay sort of spec airflow meter on it. And I think what happened to the last motor was it actually leaned out and it melted the piston. So we don't want that to happen to the new one. We are on our way to pick up an airflow meter and then get down to the guys down there, and hopefully that sorts it. And Trailers on the back. We're taking this thing home today. I'm blabbering on because I'm feeling like I'm excited, and Lani's looking at me like she's excited too. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yep.
I wish it was like painted already so that I could drive it home.
So you could no shame drive it home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we can't drive it anyway because we need to put better wheels and tyres on it.
Yeah.
Huawei, do you want to pick up Mummy's black Skyline?
Yes.
Woo! All right. We're heading down, picking up this part, getting down to next up, and then we're going to go around the car a little bit later and do some more filming. See you guys soon. Ooh la la. Look at this.
Not yet, darling. Can you see it through the window?
What'd you guess? 3 horsepower?
Yep.
3?
All 3.
Wilder, how much power will it make?
3.
3
wanna drive
horsepower?
it?
Oh, you want to drive it? Alright, fair enough. Yummy. Where's the Skyline?
Y'all think too small, I got big dreams. You just starting, I'm way ahead at the end scenes. Started reading and dodging all of the quick schemes. Money like your Spotify, boy, I got 10 streams. And I'm still looking for more. My people, they got a soar, I'm putting that on the Lord. Ain't accepting, ignore, just kicking down all the doors. Guarantee you, boy, if I ask for it, it's gotta be real big. I gotta make it just for my kids, and for their kids, it's kids. That's wealth, years and years. Promise my brother, soon as he out and finished his bid, we finna do it bigger than anybody ever did. The odds is real big, jobs that's real big. Satan trying a little, my God is real big. Stayed up on the grind on the cars is real big. I gotta do it big, the only way that I can live. And I promise I'll try to. Before you count me out, homie, let me remind you. They was blocking the shine, now I think it's my time to. Careful them dollar signs like lights, they'll blind you. Let me rewind to.
Are you stoked?
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yeah. Smooth as it works. Power steering pumps, shit. Might get better, but I don't think so. Interior, we've still got to finish doing a bit of work putting it back together. And obviously off to paint first. We need to drive it for a little bit. So we're going to pack this thing up, get it ready to get it home. Oh god. Get it regoed, get her on the road. This is awesome.
Gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. Gotta do it big. That's the only way to live. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. Gotta do it big. That's the only way to live. Come on. Yeah, come on.
You right, Dobbs? Alright, so what are you up to?
I'm taking the door cut off so that I can put the mirrors on.
What else? What else we gotta do?
I want to change the tail lights.
Oh yeah, because they got this crack in the lens. Cool. So mirrors first, tail lights. Did we start working on the tail lights?
Yeah, because I tried to and I'm not very good at pulling trims apart and you are, so.
You mean I'm good at taking things off permanently, sure. Alright, let's do that.
Huh?
You should see how much rust is here.
Go.
This is bad though.
Okay.
Alright, so we've got these rear 34 lights. We're going to keep the black covers, obviously. So, there's a new one. Is it in here?
Yeah. Put it back, please.
Oh, yeah.
So this is what they are. They're like LED ones instead. So it's just like the inner casing sort of thing.
So, let's switch the black over to that. Probably easiest to do that inside. Yeah. Little screwdriver. Let's go.
Yeah, both of them. It looks like a panda on this side. Panda bear.
Wear your helmet. Normally I'd lay down a cloth under this, but they're getting painted anyway. So.
Yeah.
There we go. Nice. Hello, LED Loni.
Hey?
So we've got these the rear like power. What am I saying? The lights working, but we don't have brake lights, actual stop lights. Push the stop light.
Huh?
Brake lights. Yeah, power.
Yeah.
Press the brakes.
Press.
Nothing. Yeah, so I reckon it's the stop lights that aren't working. I wonder if there's a fuse for that. Turn off the power bed and the actual lights. Turn the power off.
On.
Off.
It is off.
Oh. No, head, horn, tail. There might be another fuse, like an actual stoplight fuse in the kick panel underneath there. I'm going to Google a translation. We need to pop it off and check. Because that would be why they're not actually, that's not working.
Especially the one in the boot too.
Yeah, it's something to do. It's further up the car, not the back. They look good.
Okay, let's put them in.
Right, it has been a massive day here. Trying to get this thing, trying to just chip away at it, make more progress on it. It's a big, pretty big moment for Lance and for the car that it actually runs. The kids are pretty over it. Kids tired?
No.
You're not tired?
No.
Yeah, I think they are. We made a bit of progress here. Let me see. Oops, sorry, Seth. We've got Telarni's LED tail lights in. We haven't worked out the actual stop lights. I think the brake light switch underneath the pedals is playing up. Lance, do you want to kick her in the guts and turn these lights on and give her a little rev?
Just have to pick which key it is first.
Yeah, there's like 10 million keys.
And they all like have skyline.
Turn your lights on too. They look cool. Woohoo! Take a dose. Until next time, I'm following you with the camera. That's the end of the story.